So from the past 1.5 years, I have been using this phone. It has been amazing. But the problem with this phone is so good that it is really boring. It was time for a new one, so I just went and got myself the most interesting Android phone on the platform, basically on the market right now, and it is the Nothing Phone 2, and we'll be unboxing it. Okay, this is the box right here, and the outside cover of the box is white for the white phone, and gray for the gray phone. And as you can see, the dimension of the box is very different. It's like almost a perfect square, and as you can see here, the normal iPhone box, you can see how different it is in size and shape, and definitely this is something new. Now on the back, as you can see, 12GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage, the highest model of this phone. Price 59,999. I got it for 39,000, 21,000 discount in US. If you convert, I got it for $470 for the top of the line 512GB version. I feel that's really nice. So to unbox it is a little bit of a different experience. So basically we have to tear apart this cover. So this is the pull tab right here. As you can see, this is the pull tab. So I just have to pull it like this, basically tearing the entire thing. Okay, and then this part comes apart. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, and inside we have a totally separate box. So let's just keep these things aside. And as you can see, this is another box within box, and this opens like this. Okay, nice. First impressions, I am really amazed by looking at the device. So first, see what all things we have along with the device. So as you can see, this is like completely similar to the one of Apple. Let's see if they give stickers or not. No stickers, nothing, literally nothing. Okay. Apart from the device, I'm really excited about this whole USB-C cable. As you can see, this is a little bit of a transparent transparent touch. This actually is really nice. This is a pure white cable. This looks whiter than the Apple's cable. I can see that this is gonna handle well, because this is a really thick. Apple's one is really flimsy. So yeah, really nice USB cable. I love it. And the main thing of the entire unboxing experience is this, the amazing SIM ejector tool. Now let's see the device. Wow, damn, wow dude, this actually is much thinner than I expected. I didn't expect it to be this thin. Size seems perfect. I'm already loving it without even opening it. So as you can see, it is written Earth First. Little bit of like Elon Musk lines. So this is like a paper. This is not plastic. So to open it, I think just like this, I have to tear it apart. Yes. Okay. Okay. So this is the first impression. Oh my God. This really looks beautiful, man. Like the clarity of it. This is actually my first Nothing product of myself, and the clarity is breathtaking, really. The lines on the wireless charging, this entire thing, it's like 8K, seriously. And as you can see, proper silver metal lining, USB-C, thank God. And this also has like iPhone kind of button style. On the right side, the power button. On the left side, the volume rockers up and down. Wow. I mean, this doesn't feel like a 6.7-inch phone, seriously. And by the way, the weight of this is around 201 grams. So, if you compare it to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, when this was launched, iPhone 14 Pro Max was there, that was freaking 240 grams. The current iPhone Pro Max, that is around 220 something, so at least that's good. Awesome. First impression, terrific phone, and it actually comes with the pre-applied screen protector, as you can see slightly. The film one, as you can see, there's this red light, so that when you record a video, the opposite person can see. So I think this is one of the only phones which has this. And again, we have the entire glyph lighting, dual flash. Oh man, and a slight nothing, branding. We don't have all the FCC logos here, at least on the Indian variant. So it looks even more cleaner. Breathtaking, seriously. Now we'll just set up the device, but let's first see the back of the device in glorious 4K close-up shots. As you can see, oh my god, so beautiful. So as you can see, the camera basically is matte black, and as you can see, basically nothing has many different shapes. Like there's no same shape or like symmetry. This one here is like a hemicircle. This is basically like an iPhone mute switch, exactly like an iPhone mute switch. The screws, and it's just really clear. The flash, if you look, there's a little bit of a dimple here. Awesome. There's a random square space here. There's 2 dots. It's like pure random, and that's what makes it nice. It's just not pure symmetry. It's boring. Symmetry is boring. The latest iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful, but it's just plain boring. Let's look at the screws here. Let's look at the screws. Oh my god. Even the screws shimmer when light reflects on it. As you can see, there is even texture on this cable. This texture is different, this texture is different, and this basically is the charging indicator. Simple, nothing logo. It looks like this on the bottom, this on the side. Really awesome. And I feel, personally, my opinion is the white is the more fascinating color. Gray little bit dulls down. Yeah, you can see the glyph lights better on the gray one, but you don't buy this phone just for glyph lights, right? It's really like a nice add-on feature. I don't mind having the glyph light. Seriously, I love it. If I'm buying a phone and if I have the lights, it's cool. What does iPhone have? Nice, awesome. So the setup process, it looks very simple. I think insert a valid SIM card. I won't.
12 seconds later.
So yeah, you need to put a SIM card in it, and so if you just have eSIM, I think you're basically screwed. You do need a SIM to turn on this phone. I can't find a way to skip it. If there is a way, just let me know. This is the SIM tray basically, and this is a dual SIM phone, SIM 1 and SIM 2, so you can directly put 2 physical SIMs. Even the latest iPhones don't have. The latest iPhones in US, there is no SIM tray only. At least here we can. Here we do get like 2 nano SIM card slots. So as you can see, and even there is a rubber gasket around it, so definitely water protection is there. Choose your visual style. Default Android, nothing. Definitely nothing. And actually by default it was selected default Android, so they're trying to be really nice. I am gonna go for nothing. Okay, so we are in. Wow, just look at the home screen, man. So this was it, guys. An in-depth unboxing of the phone, an in-depth look on the back side of the phone, and I have to tell you guys, I have been using this phone for a while. I have set it up with all my apps and it is phenomenal. Seriously, like first impressions really nice, really simple software, really smooth experience, 120 hertz. The glyph lighting is amazing, the back is amazing, phenomenal. And I would like to end this video at that. Many more videos on this phone is coming. The next video which is coming is on the cases, about the cases of this phone. So I have 2 cases which I'll make a video on, and they are the 2 phenomenal cases. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see that, and many more videos are coming on this phone. And yeah, I'm back with Android, and I'm loving it. Really a phenomenal phone, especially now after the price has decreased, and even though the new phone 2A is coming, but still this is the better phone, no doubt. This is their flagship phone. And yeah, the slide is basically like the older MacBooks which used to come, and it's literally like that. Phenomenal phone, man. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, stay healthy. Bye bye.